Okay.
See? Hi guys, Pete here, Rossi Rex. I just want to start off by saying thank you to my 83 subscribers. I know it's not many, but it all counts, so please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because 80% of my viewers aren't subscribed. Special thanks to Ryan and Noel, Ryan of Ryan's Garage UK, fantastic friend, and Noel, who's helped me out no end in the past. Right guys, I need your help. The bike project that I'm doing at the moment, the CB450, will very soon be done. Give it 6 months, it'll be finished. So I need to start looking at a new project to keep the channel going. So, I have a choice, but I want to do something different. So I need input from you guys. Now, why a CB400, 250? I had them when I was younger. I've had other bikes like the ZX7R Kawasaki. I've had XS1100s. I've had CB754s. I like these little 400s. They're comfortable, they're easy to ride, and they're relaxing, and they're easy to work on. I've had DTs and all the 2-strokes. Not particularly liked them. Too much maintenance. So, I've got a choice. I can either do one of the 5 variants of a CB400, the T model. Yes, there's 5 of them. You got the CB250T Dream, CB400T Dream. You got the CB400T1, which had spoked wheels and no starter motor, no rev counter. That was the Hawk. You've got the 78 CB400T, which is the one that I've got, the red one. And then you got the 1979 CB400T2 Hawk, which is what I would like. But it's going to be hard to get hold of. So, and on top of that, I want to do something different. I was thinking maybe black and gold, Vanta black, which absorbs something like 99.6% of light, and make it look rather cartoonish. Just look at my notes here. Or do I do a hardtail chopper? Do I do a restoration project? Do I do a resto mod? Guys, help me out here. What do you guys think? I don't mind doing any of them. Do I do forged carbon fibre in gold? Do I do all black in various shades of black? Do I do... I don't know. You guys help me out. Because I'm not sure. Now, that's enough of me waffling for a minute. So, I'll show you what I've been up to this week. And there's not a lot of it, to be honest with you. But maybe you guys can help by suggesting a different project in the comments. And I mean, do I do something completely different? You guys let me know. So went to see Ryan this week. You'll see it in Ryan's video. And he donated this rubber to me. So what I've got to do is I've got to mount that rubber on this piece. That'll be next week, and I've got to make it fit, so I've got to cut this down slightly so that rubber goes on here. Now, other things that have been happening are this. I have, yes, all those parts. Excuse the tube going through the back wheel. Yes, you might recognise this frame. It's the one that I was going to use for this project, but then things went wrong with rear shock and it didn't quite work out. Now, Ryan helped me out with the front end. Very grateful to him. Fantastic guy. Go and watch his channel, Ryan's Garage UK, if you get a chance. Now, I do have, move that camera out of the way, this lot. So it's a 1978 CB400T frame, and it's got Supreme wheels on it at the moment. It's got the matching engine cases for the frame. So, question is, do I do something with this project, with this bike, or do I go out and get something else? I mean, it is, as you can see, bare bones. It's got the high bars just because they're the only thing I've got laying around. It's got headlights, it's got front indicators, complete front end now. US spec front yoke, lower one. Headlight shrouds. It's got the top yoke. The forks that are on it now actually work. The ones that were on it, which are down there, don't have any internals. But the bottoms are polished up nicely. So, guys, what do I do? I put this lot together out of the spare parts that are laying around. There is no crankshaft. The crankshaft is missing off the engine. Both side panels for the engine, the whole clutch mechanism, yeah, and a few other bits that go on the top end, like the whole lot. Don't have any carbs for it, don't have any barrels, pistons, or any of that. Got the rear brake plate down there, which is holding a screwdriver, which is holding the engine up. Yeah, so, and there's a piston, but that's a plus 50 thou, which I don't have a use for, unfortunately. It does look like, just there, the engine has been repaired at some point. I don't know if it has, or whether it's just a casting fault or what. It doesn't seem to be a crack. There's no sign of it on the other side. Now, I do have the logbook for this frame and engine. So I could rebuild it in theory, but it has no back end. There's something missing here, where the suspension should be. So I don't know what to do there. So yeah, it's, do I build this one? Do I not build this one? Do I keep all the good parts off it, like the engine cases? The stator I think is good as far as I can remember. The front sprocket, besides being a bit tatty looking, yeah, it's a bit worn in it. Oh well. It might be alright for something. It's actually not as bad as it looks on the camera. Do I don't know. It's one of them weeks. Yeah, so I mean I could keep the whole front end, the headlight mounts, the indicators, indicator arms. One of them needs a bit of work, like re-chroming, along with one of the headlight mounts. And various other bits, and start a new project, like a restoration. Or do I do something completely different? Like I said, just let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know what you'd like to see. Anyway guys, that's it for this week. Sorry it hasn't been a particularly exciting video. I haven't done much. I haven't felt up to it really. Yeah, health's been suffering a bit, one of them things. But anyway, please do like and subscribe, have a look through the video, see if there's anything you like, and we will do more next week. Take care, bye.